Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's solve this exponential equation together. So easy, okay? I'm taking you through it step by step. So this is what we have. We begin with our solution. So we have 4 to the power of a is 120. Now what we do is, can we express 120 in powers of 4? If it's not possible, we can just freely take the log of both sides. So this is what we have. And what do we do? Just quickly remember that for every log of a to the power of x is always x log a. So what do we do? Use this to multiply. You have a log 4 is equal to log of 120. And what do we do next? Our target is a. So to remove this log 4, divide both sides by log 4. And when you do that, this cancels. So we're going to have, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you for choosing to learn Truth. If you're still new, hit that subscription button, click on the notification bell. We have a lot for you every day. Don't forget to give this tutorial a thumbs up and help us to share so that the algorithm sent to more people. Thank you, and let's keep solving. So we are going to have a is equal to log of 120 divided by log of 4. Now, what do? We can't leave it this way. It's not yet simplified. So we're going to simplify this. To do that, we know fully well that 120 is the same as 2 multiplied by 60. And 60 is 2 multiplied by 30. 30 is 2 multiplied by 15. And 15 is 3 multiplied by 5. So it means that 220 is this. So what does it mean? It means, remember, 2 are how many here? 3. So it means 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 gives you back 120. So we're going to replace it here. To do that, we are going to now have a is equal to log of, this will give us 2 cubed multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now for the denominator, we are going to now have, this is divided, 4 is 2 multiplied by 2, which is 2 squared. So this gives us log of 2 squared. We keep simplifying. Now remember also that for every log of a multiplied by b is always log of a plus log of b. So if you apply this rule on the numerator, we are having a is equal to log of 2 cubed multiplication turns to addition. So we have log of 3 plus log of 5, and this is divided by log of 2 squared. Keep simplifying. We have a is equal to, use this to divide each numerators. So we have log of 2 cubed divided by log of 2 squared plus log of 3 divided by log of 2 squared plus log of 5 divided by log of 2 squared. And what do we do next? You just need to use the power to multiply. So we now have a is 3 log 2 divided by, this will be 2 log 2 plus log 3 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. We keep simplifying. So we now have a is equal to, these two are the same, so they divide itself to give 1. And this gives us 3 halves plus, for this, it can be divided. So we still have log 3 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. Now at this point, remember, for every log of a divided by log of b, it's always log of a base b. So if you apply this here, it gives us a is 3 halves plus, remember the quotient here is 1. So it's going to be 1/2 of log, for this, apply this rule. So it gives us log 3 base 2, then plus, this is 1, so we have 1/2 log 5 base 2. And this gives us the value of A. You can also write it in this form. You can also write it as A is equal to 3 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 2. You see that they all have denominator of 2. So this is also another form of our value of A. Now we're going to plug this A value on the left side to see if it gives us back 120. Let's do that together. To verify, we have 4 to the power of, let's use this value of A. So we have 3 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 2. Now, will this give us 120? Let's see to that. So this is the same as, remember that 4 is 2 to the power of 2. So we are going to have 2 to the power of, so let's bring it down. So we now have 2 to the power of 2 for 4 is multiplying 3 plus log of 3 base 2 plus log of 5 base 2 divided by 2. Now what do you do next? Multiply the powers. This is 2 on 1. So these 2 will cancel this denominator. And we are left with 2 to the power of 3 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Denominator is 1. So divide the number by 1. It gives you back that number. And what do you do at this point? Also remember, for every a to the power of m plus n, it is a to the power of m. Addition sign, multiply. So this is what you have. Now if you apply this rule here, we are going to have from here 2 to the power of 3, addition sign, multiply. 2 to the power of log 3 base 2, addition sign, multiply. 2 to the power of log 5 base 2. Remember also, for every a to the power of log of b base a, these two bases are the same. It gives you b as an answer. So if you apply this on these ones, from here, we have 2 to the power of 3. And 2 to the power of 3 is 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. So it gives you 8 multiplied by, these two are the same. So it gives us 3 multiplied by, these two are the same. It gives us 5. And when you multiply this, it gives you 24. And 24 times 5 gives us 120. And that is what we have at the right side. So it means that the value of x we got as 3 plus log of 3 base 2 plus log of 5 base 2 divided by 2 is absolutely correct. And I hope you learned something. I'll also be curious to see your own method. If this helps you, don't forget to like, share, and thank you for choosing to learn through us. I hope to see you in my next class. Have a beautiful day. Bye.